Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to start by sharing something we discussed in a previous video. Self-care is not a luxury, it's a lifeline. It's the foundation upon which we build our emotional resilience and mental well-being. Today, we will explore how the simple act of grooming, dressing, and maintaining personal cleanliness can transform our mental landscape. So, let's dive right in. The connection between appearance and mental health. Imagine waking up one morning and not bothering to groom yourself. You throw on whatever clothes are nearby and you disregard personal hygiene. How do you think that would make you feel? Well, our external appearance is tied to our internal state. It's not just vanity, it's science. When we look good, we feel good. Grooming for mental health. Personal grooming isn't just about looking presentable. It's about telling yourself you matter. Taking the time to care for your appearance can profoundly impact your self-esteem and mental well-being. Something as simple as a well-tailored haircut or well-kept nails can boost your confidence and make you feel more in control. Dressing for confidence and comfort. Now, let's talk about the clothes you wear. They're not just fabrics, they are your armor. Your clothing choices can significantly influence your self-confidence and comfort. Dressing in a way that makes you feel good can empower you to take on the world. It's a form of self-expression and a reminder that you deserve to shine. Cleanliness and clarity. Next, let's discuss cleanliness. Maintaining personal hygiene is not just about preventing illness. It's about mental clarity. It's about the invigorating feeling of stepping into the world with a fresh, clean slate. When you care for your body, you send a powerful message to your mind. I respect and love myself. Mindful self-care practices. Let's bring mindfulness into the equation. Self-care isn't just about the external. It's about what happens within. Mindful self-care practices can be transformative. Take a moment each day to appreciate the simple acts of grooming and dressing. Breathe in the experience, be fully present, and watch how it harmoniously connects your mind and body. I've met many people who transformed their lives by better taking care of themselves. Individuals who struggled with self-esteem, depression, anxiety, and more. But healing began to happen as they began to pay more attention to their grooming and dressing. They felt empowered, and it showed. Small changes really make a big difference. So, how can you incorporate these changes into your life? Start small, be consistent, and be kind to yourself. Create a self-care routine that works for you. It's about finding what makes you feel like the best version of yourself. Remember, caring for your body internally and externally is a profound act of self-love that can transform your mental health. Grooming, dressing, and cleanliness are not superficial pursuits. They are vehicles of self-empowerment. Embrace them and you'll not only look good, but feel amazing. Share your experiences, questions, and personal insights in the comments below. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more supportive content. I'll see you next time. Take care.